Welcome to the Band Photos channel. If you enjoy historical photos, support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Devon Aoki. A 19th century family at their sod house on the plains, showing off their goods in the yard. A group of friends camping in Golden Gate Park, California, next to a Briscoe sedan car, 1920. Kentucky family undertaking spinning activities on the porch of their Appalachian mountain home. Britney Spears for Harper's Bazaar, 2001. Cowboys and hands camping in the Dakota Badlands, 1870s. Madame de Courcelles, the first female taxi driver in Paris, France, 1909. A bus conductress at work on the top deck of an open-top bus in the snow during World War L. Kate Moss for W Magazine, March 2001. Photographer with his camera, 1865. This is how people was having some fun in 1940. Car camping in the 1920s. Christy Turlington and Naomi Campbell during Christie's backstage at Versace Atelier, SS, 1991. Elk River and his wife, Montana, 1890. S. A great look at an officer with his Indian motorcycle in 1924, Washington, D.C. Going to church to pray for rain, North Dakota, July 1936. "81-year-old Sophia Loren in a Dolce & Gabbana advertising campaign dedicated to lipstick in her favorite color. Young Cotton Mill Girls, Mississippi, 1913. Man takes a selfie using a stick of wood to activate the camera, 1957. Unidentified family in front of their sod house, 1870s. Marion Cotillard, Ease X, Christian Dior. Family having a picnic by the side of the road with a Model T Ford in the background, 1918. American couple in their one-room cabin, 1900. Campsite in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, Colorado, 1870. Uma Thurman. Young clockmaker at his desk, 1860s. These progressive high school girls learned the finer points of auto mechanics in 1927. A police officer enjoys a warm cup of coffee and salutations on a cold winter day, 1920. Naomi Campbell for Christian Dior, Couture, Fall 2007. A family getting ready to cruise in their 1903 Cadillac Model A tonneau. Barefoot kids at a mobile book cart in the Appalachian Mountains. A small family in front of their home. Christy Tarlington. A family from Wisconsin, late 1800s. High school football players practice in Chicago, 1902. A stylish woman walking her dog at the Bois de Boulogne in Paris, 1910. Tyra Banks, Linda Evangelista, George Michael, Eva Herzigova, and Beverly Peele, the 1990s. Portrait of a Family, 1875. Mother with Her Daughter, 1880. American Family in Front of Their Home, 1904. A Family from Minnesota showing off their new car, 1900s. Picture of a beautiful woman taken in 1908. A Beautiful House from 1889. American Pioneers from 1886. American Sailors Playing a Betting Game, 1910s. Edwardian Woman with Her Friend, 1905. A Group of Kids Gather Together, Massachusetts, 1904. Palm Beach, 1905. Meat Market in Custer County, Nebraska, 1886. The Oldest Known Documented Wheelie, 1936. The Construction of the Mount Rushmore, 1928. Unpacking the Head of the Statue of Liberty, 1885. A Pretty Young Lady from 1928. Maintenance worker painting the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Australia, 1945. A Victorian home being moved via horsepower in San Francisco, 1908. Two female passengers eating a meal in a dining car, England, 1905. Portrait of three sisters, Martha, Elizabeth, and Delhi, 1850. Carpenters Workers, 1890. A saloon that allowed children their own child-sized beers, Wisconsin, 1890. Family resting in hammock, late 1800s. Portrait of a family, early 20th century. A grandmother and mother with her two children on a trip to the countryside during the 1890s. A man holding a hammer and wrench, 1850, 1880. Two ladies leaving a polling station, London, 1929. Gold miners at work, Yukon Territory, 1898. Elderly Victorian couple, 1880. Wife of miner on wash day, 1946. Empire State Building construction workers in the 1930s. Even the window cleaners wore suits 100 years ago. A group of breaker boys at the Woodward coal mines in Pennsylvania, 1900.